I want another drink. Yeah. I want another drink. Yo, what's up? My name is Edmond and welcome to the Adventures of Will. Today, we're in Charleston, South Carolina. Charleston is a very historic city. I'm gonna go and show you my favorite things to do here around the city. So let's go on an adventure, let's eat some good food, and let's explore. You know how we do it, baby. Adventures of Will. Come along. And our first stop is Ruru's Tacos and Tequila Bar. This restaurant is known for tacos and tequila, and it's located right here in the French Quarter of downtown Charleston. I'm going to go in and try one of their bowls. They're known for having good bowls and tacos. And also, I'm going to grab a frozen margarita. All right, let's go in. The margaritas have arrived, but I have a special guest on this episode of Adventure Will. Terrence, tell the people what's up, man.
What's up, people? How are y'all doing?
What are you drinking, Terrence?
I'm drinking a house-made margarita, agave, some other ingredients. It's pretty tasty.
Let's try it. That margarita is very strong. It's super strong. I'm a lightweight. Y'all know I'm a lightweight, right? It's right here what knocked me on my ass, most definitely. And then Terrence will have to pick me up. I'm having a You Had Me at Hello, which is cauliflower, mushrooms, zucchini, fried zucchini, lettuce, rice, no tomatoes here. And then Terrence, bruh.
Terrence has already started this one.
That is a huge burrito. What is in it?
We got cilantro marinated steak, jasmine rice, some black beans. We've got pepper jack cheese, some crema. I mean, it's good.
That's good.
Yeah?
The rice is really delicious. With the rice, fried zucchinis, bueno. So we just finished eating at Ruru's Tacos and Tequila Bar. Terrence, how was that, bro?
It was delicious.
You lucky you got full.
I think I'm a little bit full.
All right, on to the next adventures. Adventures of Will. You know how we do this, baby. We're at Home Team and Terrence is back. Terrence, what you about to shout out on?
Crawfish, Old Country Boil. Let's take a look inside and see what they really have to offer me.
All right, so we're walking into Home Team. I don't eat crawfish, but Terrence does. And we're gonna check him out eating crawfish. What's up, man? Tell the people what's up. What's your name? Oh! They have made the vlog. Guys, right now I'm having a game changer, which is 2 different types of tequila, orange juice and pineapple juice. I only can handle one of these. Terrence probably can handle about 4 or 5 of them. You got crawfish, you got andouille sausages, you have corn, potato. Got the lemon squirts on there. I should squirt that lemon, boy. They good? They good like your mama? Yeah, they good like your mama potato? Your mama can't go cook potatoes.
I don't let her hear you say that.
Oh, mama, I'm sorry. All right, guys, so we're just leaving Home Team, and this guy right here just ate the crawfish. Tell the truth.
Okay. The truth is, I came to a barbecue place for crawfish.
This is true.
And that wasn't the smartest thing for me to do. The flavor was good. We ate good.
The potatoes were delicious.
The vegetables were delicious.
Ooh, boy.
But crawfish, I'm not too convinced about.
It was New Orleans style.
Home Team, barbecue, crawfish, not so much. Maybe we should go to the away team for the barbecue. Home Team's not gonna be it.
And our next stop is Okra Grill. This is local food for local people. If you're thinking about brunch, this is one of the most popular spots in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. So if you're coming over from Charleston, if you're watching this video, hop on over to Okra Grill. There's a huge patio for you to eat out here. This place gets very packed. And also, there's a food truck out here. That wasn't here the last time I was here visiting Okra Grill. But the food is supposed to be the best food in the city. And we're gonna see. All right, so the food has arrived here at Page Okra Grill. Got some sweet potato pancakes, some home fries. Terrence has a fresh omelet, home fries, and a buttermilk biscuit.
Oh my God. This fish so damn good.
So we're leaving Page's Okra Grill, Terrence. How was it, bro?
I think it was great. We met some great people, had some great food, and overall really great experience here in Charleston.
So this is one of the most popular restaurants in the Charleston area. Make sure you come out and check out Page Okra Grill. Try the sweet potato pancakes, try the shrimp omelet, flounder. This is the place that you get great seafood right here in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. But the adventure's not over yet. Let's go explore some more. Let's do this. We're now here at the Arthur Ravenel Jr. Bridge. This is one of the most iconic bridges in Charleston, South Carolina. This bridge connects Charleston to Mount Pleasant, which is a suburb of the city of Charleston. We've made it to Sullivans Island. This is a very historic island, and the reason why, I love to talk about history in videos. One thing about Sullivan Island is that back during slavery, 40% of the Africans that were brought to the United States were brought here to Sullivan Island. So our next spot is here at Shem Creek, which is also a boardwalk. You can enjoy fishing here, paddleboarding, and also if you want to go back to the 1940s and 50s, you can see shrimp boats come right through the harbor here, right here in Shem Creek. Also, Shem Creek is known for having a lot of great restaurants, so if you're into seafood, this is a place that you should go. Right now, we're fishing right here on a pier in Shem Creek, so bring your rod and reel if you want to get outdoors and enjoy some major fishing here in Charleston, South Carolina. Just caught a trout. He lost it. Guys, he lost his pole, but then he caught it. Let's go!
I love this.
I mean, you're nuts! Yes! Yes!
That's the biggest fish of the day.
Oh man!
I fucking knew it. Hey, I love that.
Oh my God!